Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So
Yes,
by seeing itself, we know that it is a Cauchy's because the
Cauchy's.
order of the derivative and the power of the x should be same in the each term. Okay, here order of the derivative is 1, the power of x is 1. It should be same. Okay. So here no y dash term is not there and x term is not there. Okay, right. Next for that we have to take the substitution for x first. Put x equal to what? Put x equal to
e to the power t.
You can write this is Cauchy's linear differential equation. So since if it is a Cauchy's linear differential equation, this is the first step to take the substitution for x. This become t is equal to what? T equal to
Log x.
log x. Now next step is, so we know that x into y dash. What is x into y dash? X into y dash is equal to
dy.
dy. Okay. What is x square into y double dash?
T into D minus 1.
D minus 1 into y.
D into d minus 1 into y. Okay. So only this much is enough. X cube into y triple dash not given in the problem. You take given problem as equation 1. In the solution you write the given equation once again. Okay. So next, substitute all these values. So, but what is d? What is capital D stands for here? D by?
d by
D
dx.
by dy.
D by dt. Okay, not dx, d by dt. Right? Next, substitute above values in equation 1. In equation 1, so equation 1 become, what is x square into y double dash? D into
D minus 1.
d minus 1 into y minus 5 into what is x into y dash?
dy.
dy plus 8y is equal to 2 into what is log x?
T.
T. Okay, next. Take y common. So d into d square minus d into 1 is d minus 5d plus 8 into y is equal to 2t. Simplify, it becomes d square minus 6d plus 8 into y is equal to 2t. Anybody is recording this one? We have to do recording. Recording started?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then next. Sometimes I am going to forget to do the recording. If I forget means somebody can start the recording. No problem. Okay, right? So next, it is of the form f of d into y is equal to phi of t. So now it is reduced to, see here, this differential equation is reduced to with constant coefficients. The given differential equation with variable coefficients, by taking some suitable substitution, we reduce this to the constant coefficients and we know the various method to solve it. Okay, it is a non-homogeneous differential equation. So non-homogeneous differential equation, what is the general solution? Y is equal to?
Y is equals to yt plus yt.
Yp, call it as equation number 2. Here already we considered equation 1 for the given equation. Okay, next to find yc. To find yc, what we should
Auxiliary
consider?
equation.
Auxiliary
F of m
What is auxiliary
equal to
equation?
F
What is
of
f
m
of
equal
m?
F of
Minus
m is equal to
6m
0.
plus
square
8 is
minus
equal
m
to 0.
minus 5m plus 8 equal to 0.
Minus 5m.
No,
Minus
ma'am,
t.
minus 6m.
Minus 6m
Plus
plus
8.
8 equal to 0.
So is it possible to factorize?
Yes,
8m
ma'am.
square?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 4m, minus 2m.
4m, 2m.
Minus 2 minus 4.
Both minus. Okay. So m square minus 4m. First I will write here 2m. It is easy for us to take common, that's why. Minus 4m plus 8 is equal to 0. So now take common m. We left with m minus 2. Take minus 4 common. M minus 2 is equal to 0. Is it right?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it right? Take m minus 2 common. We left with m minus 4 is equal to 0. That means either m minus 2 is equal to 0 or m minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies m equal to 2 or m equal to what?
4.
4.
4. Since it is a second order differential equation, how many roots?
2.
2
How
roots.
many roots? 2 roots. So m is equal to 2, 4. What is the nature of the roots?
Real and distinct.
Real and
Real and distinct. So if it is real and distinct, how to write YC? YC is equal
C1
to
e to the power 2t plus
e
C2 e to the power 4t.
plus C2 e to the power of 40.
don't write x. Okay, don't write x. It should be t. Okay. So YC is equal to C1 e power 2t plus C2 e power 4t. Next, did you clear it all of you up to here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next we go for YP. How to find YP? What we should consider to find YP?
F of t by f of d.
Phi of
Phi
t by
of
f of
t.
t.
Phi of t by f of d. What is phi of t?
2t.
2t e to the power of 0 t.
What is f of d?
d square
Don't
minus
consider e
6t
power
plus
0
2.
t.
Minus d plus 8.
Ma'am, third type.
What is the denominator?
t square
D
minus
square minus 6t plus 8.
Which type it is?
Type 3.
Type 3.
Type
Polynomial is there in the numerator. How to solve it if it is type 3?
Division.
By division method. What shall I write here?
2t.
2t. What shall I write here?
8 minus 6t
minus
plus
6t plus t square.
Plus d square.
8 plus 6d, ma'am.
8 minus 6d plus d square.
Yes, ma'am.
So next, what shall I write here?
2t.
2t
2t. So next, 2t divided by
8
8. 2t by 8 is what? T
t
by
by 4.
t by 4.
T by 4 into 8 is what?
2t.
2t.
2t. That we written here. Next, this into this.
Minus
Minus into plus?
minus
Minus 6d of t by 4. So keep 4 outside. What is differentiation of t with respect to t? D means d by dt.
1
d by dt. Okay, with respect to t only we are differentiating. It is 1. That is 3 by
2.
minus or plus?
minus
Minus ma'am.
Minus 3 by 2. Next, what is double differentiation become?
0.
0.
So now change the sign. 0. Here we got 3 by 2. Next, what shall I write here?
3 by 2.
3 by
3 by 2. This divide by this. 3 by 2 divide by 8. That is 3 by
3 by 16.
3 by 16. So both having plus, you write plus only. 3 by 16. So change the sign. What you got the answer? Remainder?
0
0.
Therefore, what you have a quotient, right? That quotient will be your y2. Sorry, yp. What is your yp now?
3 by 4
3 by
plus
4
3 by
plus 3
16.
by 16.
3 by 16. Substitute yc and yp in equation
Equation 2.
2
2. What is yc we got? C1 e power 2t plus C2 e power 40 na? Is it right? Then yp is t by 4 plus 3 by 16. But what is t?
Log x.
Okay.
log
And also what is e power t?
X.
x
So e power 2t can be written as
E to the power t the whole square.
e power t whole square. But e power t is nothing but x square.
X square.
E power 40 can be written as
E to the power t to the whole power 4.
4
X to the
e
power
power t whole to the power of 4 plus t is nothing but log x by 4 plus 3 by 16. This will be your general solution. Did you? This increase linear equation. linear equation. So actually Cauchy's is the special case of Legendre's. First we have to solve Legendre's, then we would have gone for Cauchy's. So to make you people understand, actually Cauchy's is easy. For that I solved that one. Cauchy's is a special case of Legendre. So now I am going to write the standard form of the Legendre differential equation. So that is, I will consider for the simplicity second order only. So it is applicable for third order, fourth order and so on. Okay. General form is A0 into AX plus B whole square into Y double dash plus A1 into AX plus B into Y dash plus A2 into Y is equal to phi of X. Phi of X. This is a standard Legendre's linear equation. Okay. Now if you put A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, what you will get? Can you tell me this equation? Put A equal to 1 and B equal to 0.
A0, sorry, no.
A0 x square y double dash plus A1 A y y dash plus
A1,
A1x
A not
A1
A.
A2y.
Y
You should
double
put A
dash
equal to 1.
plus Y is equal to phi of X.
After A1, what should I write?
Y double dash, ma'am.
A1x man.
A1x
XY dash
Y double dash.
y double
Y double
plus
dash.
A2y.
Y dash.
A21 is equal to phi of X. Which form of this, what is the equation called as? This equation is called as?
Cauchy's.
It is Cauchy's only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
Cauchy's. We can get Cauchy's linear equation from the Legendre's by substituting A is equal to 1 and B equal to 0. Already we discussed how to find the solution for Cauchy's. Okay. So now we have to find the solution for the Legendre's. No change. Everything is same. Only instead of x we should take Ax plus B. That's it. Did you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now the method is that here we have to take the substitution. Okay, step 1. You can write for your reference. Step 1, put x equal to what? Put t is equal to. So instead of x, what we should take? Instead of x, what we have?
AX plus B.
X.
Ax plus b. Put ax plus b is equal to what?
E to the power T.
A power t. Then what is t become?
T is equals to log AX plus B.
x plus b
Ax plus b. All of you have cleared this step? So I took for substitution in the Cauchy's for x. But instead of x, what we have? Ax plus b. That's what I am taking the substitution for Ax plus b as same thing e power t. So from this t become t equal to log of Ax plus b. Okay, next. What is the step 2? Step 2, consider what we should consider. So in the Cauchy's, what we
Ax.
consider next?
X into
Y
Y
dash.
dash or Y, ma'am.
We
Yeah.
consider x into y dash is equal to
DY.
dy we consider.
dy
But instead of x, what we should take here?
AX, ma'am.
x
Ax plus b.
plus b
Okay. Ax plus b into y dash. Put Ax plus b into y dash is equal to, instead of just dy, what's the coefficient of x? A dy you should consider. A into dy you should consider. Next. Ax plus b whole square into y double dash is equal to a square you will get first, a square into same thing, d into d minus 1 into y. Did you clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now our Cauchy's not Legendries, right? We are discussing about Legendries. Now our Legendries differential equation become a naught into a into dy plus a1 into a square into d minus 1 into y plus a2y as it is equal to some psi of t will get s.
Ma'am, it is first A double dash, ma'am. I mean Y double dash.
Correct. So this is a square into d minus 1 into y. So next it is a1 into a into dy. Correct. So that is a naught. So a square into d minus 1 into y plus a1 into a into dy plus a2y is equal to RHS will be, we will get after substitution some function of t. So next take y common. Next procedure we can follow it by using the what we learned earlier, that type 1, type 2, type 3. We can solve this one. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next take down the problem. First one solve. First problem. Solve 1 plus x square, 1 plus x whole square into d square y by dx square plus 1 plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to, this is also one of the important problem, sine 2 of log of 1 plus x. Did you clear the question? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can write in the solution. So they are given in the form of b plus ax. So if you want, you can write in the form of ax plus b. That is x plus 1 whole square, ax plus b form you can write. Into you can write it as y double dash plus x plus 1 into y dash plus y is equal to sine of 2 into log of x plus 1. 1 plus x given, we are writing it as x plus 1, ax plus b form. Next, we have to take the substitution. Put ax plus b. Ax plus b means x plus 1 is equal to what?
E to the power t.
A power t. This implies what is t?
Log of x plus 1.
X plus 1.
Log of x plus 1. All of you are clear this step? Put ax plus b equal to a power t. Instead of ax plus b, we have x plus 1. Put it as a power t. Then from this equation, we got t is equal to log of ax plus b. That is log of x plus 1. Next, we know that. And you can take put step 2. Put. So start from here. Put x plus 1 into y dash is equal to what? A dy, right? A into dy. What
Yes.
is a? What is a?
1.
Coefficient of x. A is coefficient of x, that is 1 dy. Okay. Next, x plus 1 whole square into y double dash is equal to what?
A into D
A
into
square
D minus 1.
A square, not
square.
a square into d into
D
d
minus
minus 1
y.
into y. What is a? What is the coefficient of x?
1, ma'am, but we
1.
need to
That is
differentiate.
1 square. That is 1 square. A square, that is constant, you can keep it out. So we got d into d minus 1 into y. Now substitute all these values in equation 1. You call this as equation 1. Substitute all these values. So now equation 1 become. So what is x plus 1 whole square into y double dash? D into
D into D minus 1 into Y.
y plus what is x plus 1 into y dash?
dy.
What is x plus 1 into y dash? That is dy is equal to, sorry, plus y is there, no? Plus y,
Yes, ma'am.
right, plus y is equal to sine of 2 into, what is log of x plus 1?
T.
T.
T, sine of 2t. Okay, now take y common and you can proceed. Take y common, so d square minus d plus 1, correct? Huh? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus d plus d cancelled. We got d square plus 1 into y is equal to sine 2t. It is of the form f of d into y is equal to phi of t. It is non-homogeneous differential equation. Then what is the general solution?
Y is
Y
equal
is equal to YC plus YP.
yc plus yp. What is the equation number? 2. To find yc, what we should do? To find yc, consider
Auxiliary equation.
Auxiliary equation.
Auxiliary. F of M is equal
consider
to 0.
auxiliary equation. F of m is equal to 0. What is f of m?
M square plus 1 is
M
equal to
square
0.
plus 1 equal to 0.
So here we have f of d. In f of d, replace d by m. That will be your auxiliary equation. M square plus 1 is equal to 0. If m square plus 1 is equal to 0, what is m square?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
What is m?
Plus or minus
Plus or minus
root
1.
of minus 1. What is plus or minus root of minus 1?
plus or minus I.
Plus or minus I.
Plus or minus I. What is the nature of the roots?
Complex.
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 Complex roots. Plus or minus I. So it
I.
can be written as m is equal to 0 plus or minus I. Roots are complex roots. Complex roots. Correct? Huh? So complex roots, how to find y, how to write yc?
E to the power 0t. C1
E to
cos
the
I
power of
plus
0
C2
T.
sin I.
Don't write I.
Cos
C1 cos
C1
t.
cos T
1
plus
t,
C2
1 t,
sin T.
quotient of I plus C2 sin t. Correct? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Yes.
Next. YC is completed. YC is completed. Put it in the box. You should highlight your answers. Next, go for YC. Sorry, YP. To find YP, what we should consider?
Phi of
F of
t
y is
by
equal
f
to
of
phi
t.
of T by F of T.
What is phi of t?
Sin 2T.
Sin 2t. What is f of d?
D
D
square
square plus 1.
Square plus
d
1.
square plus 1. Which type it is? Numerator?
type 2.
Type 2.
Type 2.
Type 2. Trigonometric function. What we have to put? If it is type
B
2?
B
square
square
is
is
equals
equal
to
to
minus
minus
A
a
square
square.
is
B
equals
square
to
is
Square is
equal to minus a
A
square is equal to
is
minus 2.
equal to minus
What
2.
is a? What is a?
2 square
2.
2 square. That
minus
is
4.
minus 4. I see
C1
C1
cos T.
cos t plus
C2
C2
sin T.
sin 2. What is YP? Minus sin
Sin 2T by 3.
by 3. Correct? Huh? We have to, we know that. What is t?
Log of 1 plus x. X
Log
plus
of 1 plus x or x plus 1. Because I changed it to x plus 1, I will return it as x plus 1. If you can write 1 plus x or x plus 1, it is same. Okay. Therefore, y is equal to C1 cos of log of x plus 1 plus C2 sin of log of, where there is a t, replace t by log of x plus 1. Log of x plus 1 minus sin 2 of log of x plus 1 divide by what?
3.
Sometimes what they will give, log m power n, that is m log n, that too can be taken here. Okay. M log n. What is m log n?
Log of n power m.
So here we have 2 log x plus 1 is log of x plus 1 whole square also can be written. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
If you have doubt, you can clarify your doubts. So today 46 only. Mukund, took the attendance? Mukund is
47
absent?
were there in the starting, ma'am.
47.
No,
one
I
left.
didn't take mom.
Huh?
No, I didn't take mom.
Now you are taking. You forgot.
Yes, mom. Yes, mom. I forgot.
You forgot while listening the class or doing something? Huh? Mukund.
Yes, mom. Listening only. Mom.
Hey, don't tell me now. Huh? Her name. If you are not there, means Fatima put the message to you, then you will join the class. Hmm?
Yes, I
Right?
will.